Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Jai Padmajaraj. Today we will see how to make mouth-watering bakery style coconut cookies without using egg. Take 100 grams of melted ghee. Alternatively, you can also use cold pressed coconut oil. Now add 100 grams of powdered sugar to it and blend it with a beater until it becomes foamy. I have an electric hand blender, so I am using it instead of a beater. Now keep this mixture aside and let us prepare the required dry ingredients. Now take 200 grams of all-purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat flour instead. Add a half teaspoon of baking powder to it. Now sieve the flour into a container without any lumps. Now add 100 grams of desiccated coconut powder to it. Mix all the three ingredients. Now add the ghee and sugar mix that we had prepared earlier to it. Now mix all the ingredients really well. Finally, I am adding approximately 3 tablespoons of milk to this to ensure a consistent cookie dough. Now keep a lid on this dough and keep it aside for 10 minutes while we prepare the cookie tray. I have cut the butter paper and put it on the base of cookie tray. This will help prevent the cookies from getting burnt out. An alternative to this is you can dust the cookie tray with flour. Now take some cookie dough and start making balls of size of a lemon size. Flatten them and add some desiccated coconut powder on both sides and keep them on the cookie tray. Now make similar cookie with the remaining dough. Keep a distance between two cookies because it will spread while baking. Now the cookies are ready to be put into the oven. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. If you make really thick cookies, then you need to cook for more time like 20 minutes. Or if your cookies are thin like this, 15 minutes should be enough. That's it friends. Allow the cookies to cool down and then you can start enjoying them. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel at Jai Padmajaraj for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.